about to give Isabel Pop Rocks for the first time.
Pop what?
Yeah, hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. There you go, put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You like it?
There's more?
Oh, she likes it. Hold on, let me have some. She likes it. I thought I'd get a much funnier reaction. You like that, huh?
And Mama, yeah.
Can I put it in a bowl for you?